Hello guys, welcome to this video. So as of now, we have discussed some theoretical concepts behind this ONNX. Now it's time for some practical, you can say, example. So first of all, I just want to show you some machine learning example so that like you can get the idea. So what are the theory we have discussed? Okay, so we can do it or not. So here I will be showing you a small example, kinds of, you can say, hello world example in ONNX. You can talk about. So here what I'm going to do. Here I'm going to train a model. We can say machine learning model, and after training the model, I will be saving to pickle format, because as you have already know, after you can say training your machine learning model, what you do, you just try to save that model in a pickle format, right? So from the pickle format itself, I'll be converting that model to ONNX model file format. Okay, so that like it would be more optimized and it would be more portable. Okay, so yes, this was like the agenda of this video. So let's see the example. So guys, I'm in my VS Code. So you can use any kinds of code editor. It's up to you. So these codes would be available inside your resources section. So you don't have to worry. Just try to get the code and try to hands on that. Okay, so that will help you a lot. So here, first of all, what you need to do here, whenever you will be working with the ONNX. Here you have to set up the ONNX first of all. So for setuping the ONNX, here I have created one requirement.txt file. So here you have to mention all the requirement package. Okay, you want to use inside your project. Okay, so here I have taken this sklearn because I will be using sklearn for this machine learning, and the ONNX, and this skl to ONNX. Okay, so this is, you can say, converter. Okay, so for every package, this package is like different. So for sklearn, there is a package called skl to ONNX. For TensorFlow, that is like TF to ONNX. Okay, that's how. For different package, okay, this package is also different. Okay, so you have to use. So and here I have also and here I'm also using this joblib, because by using the joblib, I'll be converting my model to the pickle format, and this ONNX runtime. So this ONNX runtime is required. Okay, if you want to run your ONNX model. Okay, so at the time, this ONNX runtime is required. So I'll be discussing about this ONNX runtime in our further video, but as of now, just consider it is required. Okay, for running your model. So yes, these are some requirements. So you can directly use, okay, like pip install -r requirement.txt. So if you do that, so all the package should be installed in your environment. So before that, you have to create a virtual environment. Okay, as I've already created the environment, so I don't need that. So now what I'm gonna do, so see here, previously I have generated some output here. So first of all, let me clear those output. So there is a command rm-rf. Here I'm using the bash terminal, so that's why I'm using some bash command. You can manually delete that also, or you can use your command prompt. That's fine. uh, Inside my output, I want to delete everything. So yes, now inside output there is nothing. Now let me open my train first of all. So see, it's a, you can say, very simple IDs dataset, you can say code. I think you know. Okay, here what I'm doing here, I'm just importing my IDs dataset and I'm doing some test, and here I'm performing train test split, and after that I'm training my model, and after training that, you can say, saving the model to my output folder. So yes, this is a simple code. I think I don't have to explain. Okay, and I'm already assuming you are already familiar with this kinds of, you can say, scalar or TensorFlow basics training. Okay, I am already assuming. So here, let me run that code. So I'll be running that. So Python train.py. So here, you have to wait because it is training, and after training, you will be getting your model inside the output. So let's wait. So guys, you can see our model has been trained, and this is our, you can see, model file, this model.pickle. Now what I need to do, I need to convert this model.pickle to model.onyx. Okay, like our ONNX format. So for that, there is a converter script I have written. So see, it is like quite easy. So here you have to import your convert scalar. Okay, so these are some library we have to import. You can directly refer that. And before you have to load your pickle model you have to load, and after that you have to define the data type. Okay, like these are some default, you can say, code. Okay, you can directly pick it up, and then you have to call your convert scalar, and you have to pass your class, uh, like classification, you can say, object. And after that you will be saving your model.onx. So this is a, you can say, very basic and easy script. Okay, see, just 7 to 10 line of script you have to just write, and you can convert your entire pickle model to ONNX model. So let me run that also. So Python convert. So if I run that, so see, your model.onx file would be generated here. So guys, see, your model.onx file is here. So if you want to visualize that, just go to Google and search netron.app. So this is the tool you can use for visualizing any kinds of deep learning or machine learning model. So here you will be uploading your model, and you can see the graph. So let me open my model. So this model.onx, and you can see the graph here. So guys, see, this is the graph. I'm not sure you can see or not, but I cannot zoom here. Okay, yeah, I can zoom here. So see, this is the graph. So here you have some input. Okay, so float input you have. Then you have tree ensemble classifier. Like here, you can say I'm using this random forest classifier. So that's why you can like see that this tree ensemble classifier, and your output level and output probability. Okay, so all the things you can say you will be getting here. So what are the input you are giving, okay, and what are the output you are getting. So all the information you will get here. See, your model weights also here. So see, your model weights, class weights, okay, everything you can get here. So see, I have already discussed this. ONNX is not a black box. You can visualize your model. Okay, and this is the tool you can use directly. Now what I can do, now I have my ONNX model. Now I will be doing the inferencing by using the ONNX model. So let's do that. So here I have written an inference script. So what I'm doing here, I'm passing some, you can say, dummy example, like you can say some dummy input. So I think you are already familiar with this iris data set. So you know what are the input, like your sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. Okay, you have to like pass it. So here I've taken, you can say, 3 example, and I'm loading my ONNX model, and I'm starting my session. And after session session starting, what I'm doing, I'm passing my input, and I'm doing the prediction. So let's do that prediction. So Python inferencing. So if I hit enter, so you can see, you can get the output. See, here I have 3 examples, so you are getting 3 output. So this 3 example belongs to this 3 category. Okay, like 2, 1 and 2. Okay, I don't know what is the label, but I think you can compare with the label. But see here, you can so here you can see, you have trained a model using machine learning, and you have converted to the pickle. So here, if you want to use the pickle format model, so here you need, your sklearn library for importing the pickle. Okay, otherwise like it will throw error. But after converting to the ONNX model, it has been like more portable. So now we can use that model, okay, inside our ONNX ecosystem. So inside our ONNX system, and we can, like, you can say, load. So here we can export and import, okay, in a very easy way. And it is like more portable and more optimized. Okay, now I can talk about, and you can use it anywhere. So yes, this is you can say functionality I just wanted to show you. And this is kind of, you can say, hello world example, if I talk about. And now I think you are familiar with the machine learning example. And now I think you can do the conversion. So if you are training any kinds of machine learning model, and if you want to convert it to the ONNX file format, so now you can easily do that. Okay, so you just try to refer that code, and try to also practice. Okay, so that's how you'll be remembering, you can say, forever. So yes, this was, you can say, a quick example I just wanted to show you, and I think you have liked it. So in the next class, I will be coming up with a new topic. So thank you.